Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 9 and its title is Son of Motherland. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, and you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3B, we will learn about present continuous tense and its different sentence structures like negative and interrogative form. How we can change sentences in negative and interrogative form. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, we have already learned about present continuous tense and its affirmative, how we can make its affirmative sentences. So today, now we are going to learn further about it. And our today's essay law is illustrate the use and structure of the previously learned tenses, simple present and present continuous, simple past and past continuous and simple future tense in their speech and writing. So today again our focus will be on present continuous tense. So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Anfal, verse number 17, indeed Allah is hearing and knowing. Yes, my dear students, subhanallah, this beautiful verse is telling us that even what we are doing, what we are thinking, Allah Almighty is knowing all that and hearing our all talks. Suppose when we are two and we are discussing something, when there are two people and they are discussing something, so it means the third one is Allah Almighty. He knows everything, He hears everything, even what we have in our heart, what we have in our mind, He knows everything. Okay, so have you got, my dear students? So this is hearing. Have you got that? Yeah, this is present continuous tense. Are you ready for your brainstorming activity? So let's see what's your activity for you. Observe in your class and discuss with each other what's going on in your classroom. Okay, discuss with each other, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. I hope you have done with it and you have done it nicely. Good job. So present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to tell about whatever action is happening at the time of speaking. We use helping verb is, am, are to form the present continuous tense. Already, my dear students, in our previous lecture we have learned about present continuous in details, that when we are talking, when we are doing something at the time of speaking, so this tense is called present continuous tense and we use 3 helping verbs to show the present continuous tense is, am, are. Okay, and see examples and its structure. Subject is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. See there, example is there. I am playing football. There is also object, my dear students. I'm playing football. Okay, now you can see I am playing football. I have used am with I. Playing football. Football is an object. Teacher is teaching in class. Aslam and Akram are reading a story. So have you got that? With I we used just am, but when singular noun or pronoun are there, then we have to use is, my dear students. And Aslam and Akram, 2 nouns are there, and if there are 2 nouns, 2 pronouns are more than 2 noun pronouns, means plural noun or pronouns are there, so then we have to use helping verb are while showing present continuous tense. So, okay, have you got that? How we can change affirmative into negative structure. To change affirmative sentence into a negative form, we have to add not before the main verb. My dear students, there is not like a big change. There is not a big change that we have to change the sentence structure whole. No, just we have to add the word not before the main verb. Okay, 2 verbs are there and you as already have discussed that helping verb and main verb. So see there how its structure is there. Subject is, am, are plus not verb first form plus ing and plus object. So you can see that where is not after helping verb and before main verb. Is it clear? So see there, I am not playing football. Now it is negating something, and this not is showing that this is a negative sentence. Okay, when we negate something that we don't know, we are not doing that in that way. Okay, so this structure is called negative sentence. Next is, teacher is not teaching in class. Aslam and Akram are not reading a story. Have you got that? There is not a big change, my dear students, just simple and so easy. We can do easily that we have to add not after helping word. Just keep remember, no other changes are there, and the rest of the sentence will be the same. Is it clear? See there how we can change affirmative into negative. To change affirmative sentence into interrogative form, we have to write its helping verb at the start of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so what we have to do to make its interrogative, we also know that it means when we ask question, okay, then we use interrogative sentence structure. So we always put question mark at the end of the sentence, and to make interrogative sentence in present continuous tense, we get its helping verb at the start of the sentence. So what are helping verbs? Like is, am, are we are using. Okay, see there structure, like is, am, are, subject, verb, first form ing, okay, and plus object, my dear students. So you can see that in this way we are, and the rest of the sentence will be same. See there example, are Aslam and Akram reading a story? Now you have seen that question mark is there and helping verb is in the start of the sentence. Have you got? There is no other change except that rest of the sentence is same. We have to put question mark and we have to get helping verb in the start of the sentence. Have you got? Next, am I playing football? Is teacher teaching in class? Okay, have you got that? And you have judged that this question mark shows that this is a question. Which type of sentence is there? This is a question. Have you got that? In this way we can do. Now see, few other examples are, I am teaching myself English. Okay, next, I am not teaching myself English. This is negative. And now interrogate, am I teaching myself English? Have you got that? This is, you can judge that. There is, you can see same sentence here, same sentence, just I have added there, not. There same sentence, what I did, I got that helping verb in the start of the sentence and I have put there question mark. Have you got that, my dear students? Good. See next. The little girl is playing with the doll. The little girl is not playing with the doll. Is the little girl playing with the doll? We are decorating our class. We are not decorating our class. Are we decorating our class? So have you got, my dear students? So easy structured and so easy way. Just we have to be careful while using present continuous tense, its helping verbs especially. Okay, have you got, my dear students? Good job. I hope you have understood. So let's see through an activity. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, what you have to do, write affirmative sentences on the board, call students in pairs near the board. One partner will change the given sentence into negative form and other will change it in interrogative form. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, my dear student teacher, you will write. It's up to you. If you want to write, you can write also sentence on the board. If you can give orally, so can give them sentence orally and say them as a pair, that one student will change into negative form and other will in interrogative form. Pause the video, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back and good job. I hope you have enjoyed nicely and you have got that how we can change sentence structure in present continuous tense. Good. So now here is another individual activity for you on your page number 75. Question number 8 is there and you have to identify the correct type of sentence and write the type of sentence in the given space. Okay, you will write the type of sentence in the given space. Just you have to see that where is which sentence is interrogative and which is negative and which is affirmative. Interrogative sentence always have not, my dear students. Question interrogative sentence always ended with a question mark. Keep remember, and its helping verb will be at the start of the sentence. And affirmative sentence will always a simple sentence and gives information. Okay, so you will do that, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done it with a nice way. And now you have got that how we can identify sentence structure according to their way and according to their tense and time. What's your homework for today? Write 10 sentences in present continuous tense in your notebook. Change them in negative and interrogative form. You will write 10 sentences and you will change them in negative and interrogative form in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. Okay, you may click it, download it, or you can adjust it, and also you can provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how they can change. You can see that they have to change the sentences into negative and interrogative form. What we have learned today? Today we learned about present continuous tense. We learned its negative and interrogative forms through different examples. And in this way, we have covered up our this SLO, my dear students. Good job. And we have done it with a nice way. I hope you have enjoyed and you have got knowledge about this SLO, and we have covered all this. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.